All right, guys, this is the Ryobi 18-volt, 3-gallon wet dry vac. This is compatible with most 18-volt batteries with Ryobi. It's the same ones they use for their tools. Some of the features of this thing, we've got 2 speeds. We've got low and high. So low, high, and in the middle, it powers off. This is your hose. It will turn all the way around like that. It's got a place back here, lift the handle, and right there it'll fit in there. Underneath that hose, you've got the corner attachment, I guess you could call it, kind of getting into small spaces here. So put this back. This fits nicely, clicks in right there. Then on the front side here, we have another attachment. This is more of our vacuum attachment. Fits nicely right there. Now, it has a handle. That handle has a couple different spots that it can land. This is not fully up. Once it's up, it will click into place and it won't fall down on you, which I really like. It makes it easier to handle. And then once it's down, it's going to lock in place like that. So that way it's not going to come up on you. Same kind of thing. On the sides, flip this open. Here we've got our filter. And again, this will use wet dry vac. So you can use this for wet as well. In there, decent size. You can hold quite a bit. The nice part is this is great. It's easy to carry with you, easy to take on a job site. Because it's battery operated, you can simply pick it up and take it with you, and you don't have to plug anything in, even if it's just in the house. Now, this goes with the click lock system that Ryobi has. So if you have that system, you can set this on top as well. On the back, you'll also notice you have spots here where you can mount this on the wall. So if you have their click locking system, there's an attachment for the wall. You can put that on the wall and then set this on the wall as well. Very nice. Works very well. I'll show you here. It's got quite a bit of power. And again, this is a full battery. So again, if you use a smaller, like a 2 amp hour battery, it's not going to have as much power. But I'll show you kind of high settings here, but it does have quite a bit of power.